Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play the Gardenscapes game on your PC without using any emulators. So let's get started right away. Now if you haven't already installed the Google Play Games beta application on your device, open up your web browser and type in play.google.com/googleplaygames and press enter. This will then take you into the Google Play Games beta page where you can click on the download beta option to begin the download of the installer. You may also directly search for Google Play Games Beta using your search engine. Once the file is downloaded, you can just open it up and you can choose your installation directory to begin the installation. Just click on the install button, and once the installation is completed, open up the application. Now you will need to log in using your Google account, and once you do, you will gain access to the Google Play Store. Now click on the search box and type in Gardenscapes to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and now click on the install button to begin the download and installation. After the installation is completed, you can use your desktop shortcut or the play button to open up the game. And now you can start enjoying the Gardenscapes game on your PC. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.